Hi, this is Dan from Yorkshire Water, and we're here in Wakefield where we've just installed a series of SUDs planters at this local school as part of our £180 million investment programme to reduce discharges from our storm overflows.
The storm spill reduction programme is an ambition for Yorkshire Water to try and reduce storm spills over our region. Up until the end of March 2025, we wanted to spend about £180 million to try and reduce that. So the works that we're doing here at Outward Academy helps to try and reduce those spills in the designated combined sewer overflow. On the storm spill reduction programme, we've been doing a variety of solutions which have involved shaft solutions where we install a big tank to hold water and attenuate before whilst the storm's happening and then release when the flows are lower. Alternatively, we've been installing surface water systems where it's a brand new surface water sewer to try and separate that flow. But what we've done here at Outward Academy is slightly different to that, where it's a SUDs planter where it's green, natural, and water will flow into the planter. And then once the rain subsides, it'll go back into the network and we'll be able to continue treating it.
To mark the work being completed, we invited pupils at the school to join us in adding the first plants to the new planters.
This school is located in a catchment where we have a storm overflow that's spilling more than we would like. And the slowing of the flow here at the school helps to create extra capacity in the rest of the network so that there isn't that overflow at the spill point. The water from the roofs here at the school is taken into the SUDs planter, and there is a certain amount absorbed by the plants and helps them to grow. And there's also some storage that helps to attenuate and slow the flow of that water through that system.
We've installed 46 SUDs pod units around the school. Been a pleasure to do something different, and I look forward to working in the future on the Storm Overflow Alliance project with Yorkshire Water and installing some more of these type units. They provide a lot of benefit, and as we've seen today, working with school and Yorkshire Water and our suppliers, it's really good news.
If you want to know more about the work that we're doing in your area, take a look on our website or give us a follow on our social media channels. Thanks for watching.